You know how it is. Scroll, follow, like, hate, procrastinate, and sink into half-truths and uninformed opinions without leaving the comfort of your living room. Desperately attempt to express yourself in 280 characters or less. Fight an army of trolls and minions that want your head and no less. Unable to tap into digital consciousness and say stop at nothing. I stare into nothing, looking down at the something that could turn dark or light, be switched on or off, that holds ideas between my 10 digits, ready to design with the world thoughts that can lighten a load with the click of a link. This machine that can bring back songs we used to lip sync when we were wild in high schooling. This passer of time that can share a story or a rhyme while you dry a place at the kitchen sink. That takes you across the world with just a swipe and a blink. Before I can think, I switch to Zen mode. Mask up, shoes on, head down, and I'm running. Running away from the ring-a-ding-ding into inspirational clearings through by-lanes of spontaneous feelings, finding a steady pace between the lines that divide us and the bricks that pave our way, pausing at a quiet place to catch my breath, and moving on with a clear head, knowing I will stop at nothing.